G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons. I'm here at Parravans Windsor. Today is your lucky day. Why? Because I've got a River Dreamliner, 23 foot, just so luxurious, and it's used. Come on, let me show you all about it. This is a 6-inch chassis. That's fabulous. It's Australian steel. Dexter anti-sway, good feature, good feature. Double gas bottles, of course. In here, have a look at this. It's the generator box. So what that means is you can put your generator in there and it just slides out. This is your diesel tank because you've got diesel heating. Yes, you've got air conditioning, but you've got diesel heating too. Come on through. You've got a storage boot. Now that's a tunnel boot that goes all the way through to the other side. Fabulous storage. Coming up here and have a look at the size of this awning. That is one fabulous awning. Now you've got LED lighting, you've got sound system out here, then you've got your media center. This is wonderful. So your TV connects into here, you've got 240 volt, you've got 12 volt, you've got USBs, it's got satellite as well. You've got SatKing satellite already installed. How nice is this? How nice? I know, magically nice. Look at all the cabinetry. It's stunning. Then you've got this beaut lounge area. Now this lounge area, it's a club lounge. See this table? Brilliant, brilliant invention. So what this table does, it has multiple features. So we can slide it forward, we can slide it backward, we can go left, we can go right. But the best feature is, so when that table goes down, there's another panel that goes across. You've got guest sleeping area, guest sleeping area. So, you know, a couple of adults can squeeze in there, a couple of kids easy. Oh, fabulous. But I want to show you the stove because this is all bench top area here. But when you lift that up, here's the stove. Now they tell me, and I told you earlier, that they tell me it's used. But I lift this up, I don't think that's being used. That looks new to me. I reckon this is just phenomenal. Even the oven, and yes, you've got an oven, even the stickers on there, and when I open this up, everything's new and still in plastic. Oh, fabulous. But when you come in here, oh, size, space, luxury. So you've got the wash bowl. Here is your washing machine. You've got that, tick, done. Toilet's already there, storage here. Come into the bedroom with me. Now, this is a bedroom. Oh, by golly, it's a bedroom. You've got storage everywhere. There's cupboards here, there's cupboards there, there's wardrobes here, there's storage across the top. So, what do you do now? Well, if you're clever, you give Parravans a phone call, you give Parravans an email, and you tell them, put your name on this because it's our beaut van. And we'll see you soon.